All right, guys, we are back for the 120 amp hour test, doing 4 batteries here. It is supposed to rain tomorrow, and that's probably when I'm gonna upload this. So we're gonna do something about that today. But you see here, on the driver's side, both batteries are hooked up. Passenger side, both batteries are hooked up. Going to the distribution block, okay? We're sitting around 100% here. 53.5 volts, 0 amps. So let's get this right here reset. I think it's these two here. Hold them down. That's reset, and it says 91 degrees. I'll believe that. It is 3:48 p.m. and everything is reset here. Turn this on here. And we're gonna hit it here. We should be recording. We are.
Slow down, mama. Why you talk so mean? Good Lord, man, shit. It ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes and late night shows. Boogie down at the bar. Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing.
4 battery kit is listed right here. Notice there's a 2 battery kit and a 3 battery kit as well, and I've covered those in separate videos. But on today's video, we're going to be focusing on the 4 battery kit. And before we jump to this right here, let's say you start out with a 2 battery or a 3 battery kit and you just need a little bit more range. You don't have to buy an entire kit again. Just come up here and buy a single battery. Use my coupon code to save money there as well. Okay, on the 4 battery kit, let's open it up here. This is lithium iron phosphate batteries, 120 amp hours of capacity. That's like the gas tank. That's how much range you can expect from your batteries, okay? And it's saying 40 to 50 miles of runtime for your standard golf cart. Now, golf cart that I'm running today, it's got a 6-inch lift kit with 23-inch tall tires. It has a Navitas 5 kilowatt AC system on it with a 600 amp controller. So it's not your standard golf cart, okay? If mine was standard, I'll probably get a little bit more range than what I've got, and I'll show you the range in the next clip here in just a minute. Now, these batteries right here, when you put 4 together, it's 240 amps max continuous discharge, 400 amps for 10 seconds, and 800 amps for 3 seconds peak discharge. Notice it has a Bluetooth app. It's coming soon. and I'll make a separate video when that gets here as well. It has a 22 amp charger that's IP67 rated for dust and waterproof. I'm gonna go over all of that in just a second here. CAN bus communications. I mean, this right here is a jam up kit. Let's go down here. I cover all the tech specs in the main video that I did when I opened the box and showed you everything about these batteries, and I'll be sure to link that at the end of this video, which is the same video as right here on their website. Now, what's included on this kit, you get 4 Epoch 48 volt 30 amp hour battery modules. You get a battery meter fuel gauge. You get the IP67 22 amp battery charger. That's an onboard battery charger, and you can mount it on board if you want. And I say that if you mount it on board, how are you going to plug it up, right? Well, they also include the Epoch GC2 AC port plug, so you can just plug an extension cord into your golf cart. Now I've showed you how to install a Epoch GC2 on a Club Car DS. I'll try to link it at the end of this video as well. I need to make another video for our Club Car President, and I will do that very soon. They also include a 48 to 12 volt voltage reducer for all of your accessories. They also include 4 sets of heavy duty 4 gauge cables. They have the CAN bus cables, the data cables, and they also include battery straps as well to lift out your old batteries. So it just, makes it a lot easier when you're removing the old lead acid batteries, or you installing the new ones as well. At the very bottom, it's got reviews down here and what they look like in certain golf carts, so be sure to check that out as well. Now, if you're here just to save some money, and I understand that, let's go ahead and add this to the cart here. Once it's to the cart, we're gonna go up here and go to checkout. When you get to the checkout screen, remember the batteries were $33.99. They're on sale for $29.99. You're gonna save an additional 10% off of your battery order.
Grab my hand, well, we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing. Double